Long ago in the ancient time of the Rongmei people, when the land was still young and the spirits of the mountains spoke through the wind, there were born a few children unlike any others. These children were not ordinary humans. They were gifts from the Heavenly Father himself. The people called them Limtuang. In every generation, only a few, 4 or 5 in a village, would be born as Limtuang. They carried the blessing of heaven within their bodies. Stronger, faster, their souls were chosen before birth and sent down to live among humankind. But among the Limtuang, there were 2 kinds, the Jaat Limtuang and the Bai Limtuang. The Jaat Limtuang were the mightiest of all. Their power was said to be equal to the strength of 10 elephants. They were born with a divine mark in both of their forearms. Instead of 2, there was only 1 bone. They could break stones with bare hands, run like the wind. When they were born, thunder would roar, and the sky would open as if the heavens themselves were welcoming their arrival. The Bai Limtuang, though less powerful than the Jaat, were still born under divine light. Their strength was said to be equal to 5 elephants. A single bone in 1 forearm, either right or left, showing their connection to heaven's power. When a Limtuang child was born, strange signs appeared. Thunder might roll across a clear sky, or a bright star would stay unmoving above the village, and the elders would dream of a shining figure walking upon water. They were protectors, guides, and living proof that the Heavenly Father still watched over humankind, sending his chosen ones to keep balance between heaven and earth.